In 2018, the world said goodbye to one of the brightest minds ever to live, Professor Stephan Hawking. But before he left us, he shared one final message, a warning meant for all of humanity. Years earlier, in a quiet BBC interview, Hawking spoke about something he believed could one day reshape the future of our species: artificial intelligence. He admired technology. It helped him communicate, live, and work. But what he saw on the horizon frightened even him. Hawking said, the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. Not because AI would be evil, but because it would evolve faster than we can. He warned that advanced AI could redesign itself again and again at speeds human evolution simply cannot match. While humans grow and change over thousands of years, a machine could evolve in minutes, and one day it might surpass us. Humans, he said, who are limited by slow biological evolution, couldn't compete and would be superseded. But Hawking was not against technology. Far from it. He relied on it every day. And during that same interview, he spoke with pride about his new communication system. He said children who needed a computer voice often asked for one just like his. Hawking didn't fear innovation. He feared the absence of responsibility. He believed humanity must guide AI carefully, thoughtfully, together. Today, as AI grows faster than ever, Hawking's warning feels more real than ever before. His message wasn't meant to scare us, but to prepare us. A reminder that the future is in our hands, and the choices we make today will shape the generations to come.